Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we'll start a new chapter. So the chapter is chapter number 5, topic the coastal plains and islands. Spotlight. In today's class we are going to cover western coastal plains and life in the coastal plains, and this video wanna be part 1. For the reference, please take out your book, page number 43. The western coastal plain. Location. The western coastal plains are situated on this strip of a land and lie nestled between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, as you can see in the map. They extend from the state of Gujarat up to the south state of Kerala. The western coastal plain have many rivers and black waters which are unique to this region. So in the western coastal plains they have many rivers and black waters which are unique for this region. Division of western coastal plains. The western coastal plains can be divided into 3 parts. Number 1, Gujarat coastal in the north, as you can see here. Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, as you can see in the middle. Malwar coast in the south, as you can see over here. The state which lies in the region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Over here, what are they? The state which lies in the region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Gujarat. Location. Gujarat is located in northwest India. Where it is located? In northwest India. Capital. Gandhinagar. So the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, named after Mahatma Gandhi. Rivers. Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada. What are the rivers? Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada are the rivers of Gujarat, as you can see over here. And language is Gujarati. What are the language of Gujarat? Is Gujarati. Traditional dress of Gujarat. Men wear dhoti and churidar, short jacket called angras and turbans. As you can see, whatever the hat they are wearing, it's called a turban. It used to be a very colorful, okay, and the jacket they are wearing, they are called angras. It will be like a frock type, okay. The women wear sari, as you can see in the image, and lenga choli. Music and dance of Gujarat. Garba and Ras are well-known dance form of Gujarat. As you can see in the image, Garba and the Ras are as well as well known as dance form of Gujarat. Dandiya, Tripani and Hudu are also the famous dance done in Gujarat. Dandiya, Tapi and Hudu are also a famous dance which is done in the Gujarat. Garba is a Gujarati folk dance celebrated in Navratri, a celebration lasting 9 nights. The Garba is also a folk dance celebrated in Navratri, and the celebration, it used to be celebrated at least how many days? 9 nights. Garba song typically revolves around the subject of a nine goddess. So this typical song, it revolves. It used to be a like typically revolves in which the subjects of nine goddess. The Garba styles were from place to place in Gujarat. So it used to be very unique in the place to place in the Gujarat. Festivals of Gujarat. The list of famous festivals of Gujarat. Navratri tops the listing of most awaited festival in Gujarat. So the Navratri is a top list, and it used to be a most awaited festival in Gujarat. Ran Utsav as well. The white desert merged with the living heritage. Uttarayan, the international kite festival, means they used to fly the kites. It's also a kind of festival only to fly the kites. Sam Lajit Mela, Vitut Mela, animal trade festival of Gujarat. In truth, Mela used to be bring a lots of animals over there. It's kind of fear, okay, of animal. They used to bring a lots of animal like camels and all. They used to sell over there. Rath Yatra, as you can see in the image. Those are the festivals of the Gujarat which are being celebrated by people of Gujarat. Occupation in Gujarat. Trading and farming are the main occupation of the people of Gujarat. So trading and farming are the main occupation of the people of Gujarat. Jawar, bajra, groundnuts, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco are the main crops of Gujarat. As you can see in the image, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, sugarcane, cotton and tobacco are the main crops which is grown in Gujarat. Industries of Gujarat. The major industry of Gujarat: textile, petroleum, salt, handlooms, fertilizers, diamond cutting and dairy farming, and the major industry of the state. So the industry of Gujarat, there are the major industry of the Gujarat. What are they? Textile, petroleum, salt, handloom, fertilizer, diamond cutting and the dairy farming are the major industry of the state. As you can see in the image also. Tourism in the Gujarat. What are the tourism? Gir Forest, Lothal, Dholaveri and Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram are famous tourism destination. So all those are the tourism in the Gujarat, and the Mahatma Gandhi Sabarmati Ashram is a most famous tourism destination in the Gujarat, as you can see in the image. Statue of Unity is a new tourism destination in Gujarat. So the Statue of Unity is a new tourism destination which is made in Gujarat. It is very newly. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat in India. As you can see, this is a statue. It's called the Statue of Unity. And also this Statue of Unity was inaugurated by PM Modi on 31st October 2018. It was the world's tallest statue with the height of 128 meter and 597 feet. So it is a quite tallest statue with the height. The height is 182 meters and the feet is 597 feet. It is located on the river facing to the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada and Kevadia colony. So it is faces, the statue is faces towards, where it is faces in the Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is faces towards the dam only. So the dam is here and it is faces over there. Okay, on the Narmada Kavach colony. Excuse me. Important cities of Gujarat. Ahmedabad is a famous city of Gujarat. So Ahmedabad is a famous city of Gujarat. So as you can see in the image, this is the Ahmedabad and it is also a famous city of the Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital city, located 23 km north from Ahmedabad. So Gandhinagar is the capital of the city, as I told you in before also, and it's located on 23 km north from Ahmedabad. Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot are the other major cities. So Gandhinagar is the capital and it's located on the 23 km north from Ahmedabad. Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot are also the other major city, as you can see in the image. Okay, and these are also a part of the Gujarat. So those are, whatever is there, it's the most important cities of Gujarat. So that's it for today. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next video, and the chapter needed to be continued. As you know that the coronavirus is not a joke, so please stay at home. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and take care.